Hey guys, here is a quick introduction on what I do on this channel and why I decided to start using homemade products. Here I talk about natural hair products you can easily make at home using natural ingredients that nature has given to us. I've been on natural hair journey for 8 years now, and in these years I've been trying my best to keep and maintain my natural hair. So within these 8 years I've had 2 big chops just to get that healthy hair that I wanted. Alright guys, let's get into the DIY mask for today. First, blend the full avocado with olive oil and water till you get a smooth paste. Avocado helps moisturize the scalp. It's rich in protein, amino acids, and vitamins. Moringa contains all essential amino acids needed by the body. Amino acids are building blocks of proteins which are needed to grow, repair, and maintain cells. So it is not only great for the hair but also good for consumption. Brahmi is an excellent hair growth promoter. This herb has a lot of benefits both for hair care and beauty. It prevents hair fall by treating dry and damaged hair. I'm not only using natural ingredients you can consume like avocado, but I'm also incorporating Ayurvedic treatment in my hair care regime. Next is Amla oil. It strengthens the scalp and hair, reduces hair loss, and helps prevent gray hair. And lastly, my homemade fenugreek oil, which you will always see in my videos. You can also check out the video on how I made my homemade fenugreek oil if you haven't seen that video already. Apply the hair mask on a clean hair and let it sit for 30 to 45 minutes and then rinse it out. That's all for today guys. I'm blessing amenze and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.